Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable disappearing messages on your WhatsApp. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps. Sometimes we all just want the messages to disappear instead of having to delete it ourselves. And I'm going to show you how you can do it on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp on your phone. And then simply select the chat that you want to enable this feature, and then click on the name of the chat and then scroll it down. You will see a lot of options, and there at the middle somewhere you will see disappearing messages. Click there. So you will see the message timer after which you want the messages to disappear. Choose any date or time that you want. I'm just going to go ahead and choose 24 hours, and that's it. After clicking on it, you have successfully enabled the disappearing messages. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope that you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe the channel for more updates.